Okay, girls, we're at the snow for the snowy little mountain. Is it alright now, girls?
Yeah, it sure is.
Yup. It's a perfect snowy day at the mountain. It was nice. It's nothing beats to a nice perfect day for the snow.
Yep, it sure is, Buttercup.
Yep, I sure is it.
I love a snowy day for the winter. It was cold, right?
Yeah, I know, Bubbles.
Yep.
Keep going, Toad. You're doing great.
Okay, Toadette. Just get going. Blossom, when are you building for the snowman? I guess you'll love it.
Yeah, Bubbles. I know what's that, right?
Yeah, I don't mind you building for the snowman, right?
Yeah, I know. You like it now, you little Bubbles.
Yeah, Buttercup.
Yeah, I sure will want that. I know, Bliss. Mm-hmm. Come on, let's get going.
Ah. Ouch! Oh, my head.
Head on, Toad. You must go and do our wait, okay?
Okay, Toadette. I must do anything.
Woof!
Huh?
Hmm?
Toad? Hmm? Oh no!
What's wrong, Toadette?
Is something wrong?
Yes. Toad is gone. Toadette is gone? Toad is gone? What do you mean gone? Look! Huh?
Cloudy. Oh, Cloudy. Hey! Hey! Where'd it go? Huh? Hey, let go see my fairy cloud. Don't you worry, Chippy. Hey, Cloudy, I take a first for your home, okay? No, my I still, I can ask it. Help! Donuts! Help me!
Oh no! Poor Toad!
Oh no!
Oh dear! Toad! Written back you've got it, a win. Blossom, you got to help me. Blossom, girls,
So you send me more did not happen. You do this. We got to save this.
Don't worry, Toadettes. We can save your photo, Toad. Right, girls?
Yeah. Sure. I don't think so.
Why do I think so?
I don't probably like the good idea.
You sure this was a good idea?
Yeah.
All right. Come on, girls. Let's save for to find them, Toad. Okay? Okay.
All right.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go and save them. Come on. Let's go. 2 minutes later.
Wow. Wow. Cloudy. Cloudy. My adorable, but cutie, cloudy, nice. Thank you, Mama, for kissing now. You. What are you trying to do now, you are cloudy? Your girls was round me? Huh? You're not told. You're cute. It's nice for you so much. Mommy? You're not my mommy? You're not another crying. It's so nice. It's so nice. Huh? What are you talking about? You're the nuts you're talking about. I just thinking about it. Oh, I got an idea. I will tattoo for you to something about it. I can tattoo milk with this. Now where's that telephone? I got it. Hello? Oh my goodness. I made a folder for radio. Can you lock it for you today? You did? Oh, thank you very much. I have for milk for you this one. This one. You said you had this one of milk and you were trying, right? I don't want this milk, huh? I don't want to have to little milk for you, okay? Oh, Toad, you give me a hug. You are saying hug. Ah! Come here. I'm going to hug you. No, wait. No, stop. I'm going to get you. Hey. Stop. Help. Donuts, help me.
3, 4 hours later. We must be getting close, right, girls?
Yeah.
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 What's happening?
I don't know.
Hmm?
Whoa! Ah!
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh no! Whoa! Whoa! Oh no! What's out? There's no road. We can't get across. There's no way to get across it also a mountain. We're never safe Toad.
Don't worry, Toadette. We're thinking something. Buttercup, do you know when to get across those wing of plastic? Oh, I forget. What you happen to without your butter? Did you blossom?
Yeah, but how can we do?
Maybe we can't.
Huh?
We can jump.
Jump?
Yeah, we can jump it. We can't. I go first. PowerPuff power.
Hmm?
See? Now you try. Bubbles, you go next, okay?
Okay, Blossom, let me see. Make way for Bubbles! Woohoo!
Nice going, Bubbles.
Thanks.
You're up, Buttercup. Okay. Alright. Prepare to be warped by Buttercup. Here it comes. Will I? Charge! Ha! Woo! That was close.
Wow, that was so amazing, Buttercup.
Yep, I think that.
Come on, Bliss. Your turn. Okay. Here it comes. Sparkly hair power.
Nice going, Bliss. Come on, Toadette, it's your turn.
Okay. I can try that. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. What? Ah! Ah!
Uh-oh, Toadette, he's gonna fall.
Help! I'm in the fun.
Let me help you. Got it.
Yeah. Phew. That's awesome.
You're welcome.
Phew, now we're going to save my toad.
Now we can go. Okay? Come on. The Powerpuff Girls and the Toad Nancy looking forward to finding what Toad is. Ha 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 ha. I better tell the mama what one is sent. They should have looked before when this one run out. Ha 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 ha. At the castle, Junior, you would mess up to find a little girl said to told that Sarah from was sisters, right? Yes, Maleficent. You listen so oppressing now. You're like, quiet, Junior. I want to sure to make it your not to. This is what Junior do not to. Okay? Yeah. Hey, Junior. Hey, Junior. Yeah? I'm on my feet, wait. Sure. What? Oh, thanks, Junior. You're welcome. Now, let's see. What else? You know where the Powerpuff Girls and Toad Dance are looking for? I'll tell you where those signs are looking for. And that's here? Fizzy Town. So with snow over where there were for birds and for bombs, right? Yeah. Birds. Seats for the Powerpuff Girls. Well, don't worry it's not you, okay? Rah, 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 rah. Give me those bombs. Now, go! Rah, 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 rah. Should help for my Maleficent. Yeah, I know, Junior. Now for the Powerpuff Girls. Will me for my. Ha 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 ha. Should help for the Maleficent. Yeah, I know, Junior. Come on, let's go ahead to the snow. You got it, boss. Come on. Okay. Waito. Okay, Town. Let's take off those little jacket. You look nice and warm. You were so perfect night. You cloudy up for nice to sleep. I can't not do it. Let's sing. Why can't not do it? You're still not chatting on. I just will leave it to okay? Oh well. I guess you'll check the money anyway. Just go away now. Well? Hug. Huh? I want to go. Cuckoo. I almost forgot. It's time for us to go. Is it away to? Uh-oh. Why? Wow! I don't see a toe anywhere. We said we will find it. Where can it go anywhere? I don't care it. Looking at everything. It looks like it's something working. The snowy was outside. This way and that way. Where can he be? Where is it? Where's my boyfriend Toad? Oh, yes, they're not. Excuse me, girls. Huh?
I'm going to stop you now.
Let's see what happens this by. The snow has to go steep. The snow has to go steep? Oh no.
Oh dear.
Oh no.
Huh?
Oh dear. I gotta stop now for you, Moana. Yeah, you won't get away with this, okay? I don't care about you little girls. What's who will fight with us? Girls, I attack. Girls!
Whoops. Sorry now for girls.
Now let's see a little snow have this danger. Yes. Now, the birds.
The birds.
Yes, we have bombs. Okay, birds. Now, just blow a little snow. Now.
Heads up, girls.
Yikes. Uh-oh. Yes.
No.
Yeah. No. See you on, girls and toadettes. Well done, birds.
Yes, sir. Time to go say that.
You're right, Junior.
Up you go. Ah! Well, the man destroyed the snow with and now. Girls? Donuts? Blossom? Bubbles? Buttercup? Bliss? Toadette? Where'd she go? Oh, why the ones still now? Oh no! The snow was as still as too. Oh, well, we'll find it.
much later. We must stand to be strong, right, girls? Understood.
Yeah, I know.
Bliss, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Toadette, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm fine. Ooh. Yeah, I guess it was warm. So cold.
Yeah, I know, Toadette. When the snow looks too steep, how do we get out? And we need a contact for that. Wasso, I have an idea. We can call those little pets to call little superheroes. They can anything he can help us.
Yeah, they got padded continent and got like kitty.
And let heck my Henry, the cocoa dog. Hey, good idea, Buttercup and Bubbles. And I have a plan.
Huh? Huh?
Watch this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Jewel. Ah. Jewel, there you are. Jewel, can you help me get to the snow with just free hiking of freedom?
Rah, rah.
Hey, we're free.
You're right, Blossom. We're free.
Finally. Ew, we're rats.
Yeah, I know.
Thanks, Jewel.
Rah.
Now we can fast. Now we can freedom.
Tell dads. Girls, where can you go find it? Where is it? Huh? Oh, there he is. I'm going to look at it.
Hey, look. There's a baby Cloudy. He's stuck on his little size. Blossom, can you free those baby's eyes out of the hair? Can you help us? Sure, please. I'm on my way to help. Jewel, read them.
Rah. Come here, baby Cloudy. I'm here. Don't worry, I take care of you.
He's looking for our girl Cloud. You're right, Buttercup. He missed her. You're right. He's missing something. What are you missing? I don't know. I just looked at it. Huh?
Donuts!
Toad! Toad, you came back for us.
Oh, I know, Toadette. I don't want you.
Oh, you're frozen.
Yeah, I know. Huh? Oh, hey, a baby cloudy. It's so cute.
It's all a cloud?
Yes, it is, Toadette. Yeah, he's looking for the wings of Cloudy. He's looking for a wings of Cloudy? Yeah, he's so miss.
Yeah, he was.
Oh, he was?
Yeah.
But how can we get and find it?
Well, you will only need where this the girl had the wings. Just like this one.
Oh, that must be this one?
Yes.
Alright, let's stop it for those birds, and we can stop it right now. And we're gonna start a little PowerPuff Girls and we're gonna stop him. Right?
Yeah.
I want my brownie girl. Oh, don't cry, baby Cloudy. We'll get you right home. Your brownies, right?
Come on, let's go. Okay, Buttercup. Come on, we're almost there. Okay. Come on. Shoo. Shoo.
Cloudy? Baby Cloudy? Where did Cloudy go?
Oh, girl Cloud.
Huh? Looking for this? Mama! Oh, baby Cloudy! Here we go. Oh, Cloudy. Oh, Cloudy. My dream home. Oh, Cloudy.
See? Nothing but to it.
See? Well, I guess we're gonna work it out under the snow, right?
Yeah, Toad. Well, I guess it was a nice vertical snow, right? Yeah, boys. I sure nice. Excuse me, girls.
Huh?
I will show you. Ahem, Melissa, what are you doing here? I will stop it now when you and us, you Powerpuff Girls.
Look, a baby Cloudy.
A baby Cloudy. How nice. Okay, Junior, trap it to go Cloudy.
Okay. Baby Cloudy! You waking us now with not you. That's you, innocent.
Never do our girl cloudy wind.
Oh.
Besides, you are sure is that okay?
Oh no! Baby Cloudy is trapped in the cage.
You're right, Toad. And here it comes.
The birds, here comes the bombs.
You're right. Come on, girls. Let's stop him. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. All right.
Come on, girls, say yourself.
Let's go, Jewel. Rah! All right, birds. Stopping for the girls, okay? Rah! Birds! Bombs! Attack! Rah! Whoosh, 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 whoosh.
Here comes the bomb.
Jewel! Follow those bombs! Rah! You. Rah! Ooh. Huh? Those parrots have exploded.
You're right.
I was still the nut. Way to go, Jewel. Rah! All right, get him. Yeah.
Come on, girls. You can do it.
Yes. Rush. The bomb's away. Girls, kick. Oh. Come on, girls. Let's do this to my ice breath, Bubbles your sonic scream, Buttercup use your bomb shot, and Bliss have your lightning attack. Ready, girls?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Girls, attack together.
Sonic scream.
Bomb shot. Lightning attack. Okay, girls. It's time for the final attack, Ona. The Powerpuff Girls stare. Ready?
Yeah.
Powerpuff Girls, countdown. 4,
Woo.
2, 1. Powerpuff Girls, stare.
Uh-oh. The, the birds, he flied off it again. Oh.
Bubbles, here's your key.
Okay. Ow. I got you. I got you now, baby Cloudy. Cloudy, are you okay? Yeah.
Girls, what are you doing to those birds you go to defeat?
Not today, but one instant. We have snow is deep. Watch this, I will have laser eyes.
Uh-oh.
Bye for now, but one instant.
Uh-oh, you have a second and last of me, Powerpuff Girls. Hold on tight, Junior.
Uh-oh.
Well, could be worse.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It's the polar bear.
Oh, you're right.
Baby Cloudy. Oh, Cloudy, you okay? Thank you, Powerpuff Girls. You saved me, my baby Cloudy.
You're welcome, girl. Elaine, it's all pleasure.
And then to you too, Bubbles. You're welcome. Jewel, you're getting awesome. Wow. Well, the Powerpuff Girls, you saved.
You're my hero, too. I know, Toad and Toadettes. You're pleasure now.
Well, you have so much of fun. You had to make me have your build a snowman. Wow, build a snowman. I got that to build. Look, girls, I made a build a snowman. Isn't that neat?
Oh, that's so nice, Al. Build a snowman, Bubbles.
Thanks, Blossom. He's my real nice little snowman.
Oh, that's so nice, Bubbles.
Thanks, Buttercup.
You look nice.
Thanks. Very cloudy. We're sorry I didn't need to leave him alone until it was cloudy, right? That's okay. Nothing was gonna happen, right? I know. Come on, baby Cloudy. Let's take it far to get to a Cloudy for his home, okay? Okay. You're so cute, little baby. Well, bye, girls.
Bye. Bye, Cloudy girl.
See you later.
Bye.
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 Bye. Rah.
Bye, Jewel. Bye, Toads. Bye, girls. See you on. Gotta go fly.
Come on, Toad. Let's go into the Super Mario.
Okay, Toad. Bye, girls.
Bye. Bye, Toadets. Bye, Toad. Well, Jewel, you can take the fortune in the bird's cage, okay? Rah. You can get it. Rah. Come on, girls. Let's take it for the kids going home, okay?
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Yeah.
Hi, girls. How was your little snow?
It was good, Professor.
Well, I'm glad you like it.
I know.
Girls, you could go play if you like.
Okay.
Hey, Bliss,
Yeah?
wanna go play some for video games?
Sure, Buttercup.
Okay, let's go play.
Okay.
Mommy,
Yeah?
I love you.
Love you too, sweetie.
I want you to build a snowman of my kind of for the mountain.
Yeah, I know. Wanna go upstairs?
Sure. I'm going to draw of my like a cute a cat.
And a storybook called Another Monster was the end of this book.
Come on. Let's go ahead to the play. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Let's read calls out Another Monster was the end of this book. By Grover and Elmo. Well, time to read the book comes with a story time. Shh.